Tired of window cleaning? Imagine sparkling windows without lifting a finger. The ECOVACS W2 PRO could be your answer. Let's see how this robot can revolutionize your window cleaning routine. The ECOVACS W2 PRO is a portable window cleaning robot. It features a multifunctional station for easy use and storage. It intelligently cleans with a triple nozzle water sprayer. This robot offers dual power modes for flexible cleaning. Use battery mode for areas without outlets. Plug-in mode is perfect for large windows. The W2 PRO boasts a 6-in-1 multifunction station. It acts as a control panel, charger, and storage unit. The 3-nozzle wide-angle spray ensures efficient cleaning. Intelligent path planning increases cleaning efficiency by 30%. It adapts to various window types. A 12-stage protection system provides added safety. Watch as the W2 PRO tackles dirty windows effortlessly. Its climbing system prevents slippage. Select from 5 cleaning modes for customized cleaning. Ready to ditch the squeegee? Click the link in the description to learn more and purchase your ECOVACS W2 PRO from its Amazon product page. Experience the future of window cleaning. Don't wait. Make your windows sparkle effortlessly today.